What's up, guys? Welcome to a free full tutorial on Microsoft Word. In this video, we're gonna explore the basics of MS Word or Microsoft Word. We're gonna look at the different commands or the different command. We're just gonna familiarize ourselves with Microsoft Word. Okay, with its environment and its commands. Firstly, this on top here, these buttons right now which I'm clicking, these are called tabs. Okay, so if I go to the home tab, okay, you see um, a number of other buttons under each other which are called commands. Each tab has a set of commands, okay, and you get this command bold, italic, underline. Okay, now each set of commands that are similar to each other, okay, in terms of their function, they are grouped together. Okay, so the first group on this tab is the clipboard group, the second group would be the font group and its commands, and then we have the paragraph group, so etc. Now this is a clipboard group right here. Okay, you can see the paste format painter and etc. Then this is the font group, okay, related to the font. Okay, and it's written at the bottom right there, okay, the naming of the groups. If you can see, font group, paragraph group, and then you have the styles group, editing group. Okay, so if I go to another tab, okay, the design tab, layout tab, references tab, mailings tab, home tab, insert tab, then they have commands, okay, a set of commands which are grouped together. Okay, so you have the pages commands which contains the cover page, blank page, page break group. Okay, we're gonna explore all of these commands, all of these groups in this free course. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe. And if you gain benefit from this, don't forget to share so that other people can also gain benefit. And don't forget to like to support the channel. And let's begin. Let's continue. So this area containing the commands and the tabs is called the ribbon. Okay, it's called the ribbon in Microsoft Word. So if I say we're going to the ribbon, you know we're going to this area on top containing the commands and the tabs in MS Word. So if you want to collapse the ribbon, you can double tap the tab. Okay, like I did it with the home tab, I double clicked the tab and you can see the ribbon collapsed. Okay, then if I double click again, it will appear again, the ribbon will appear again. And there's another way to collapse the ribbon by pressing this arrow here. Okay, collapse the ribbon, or you can use the shortcut control plus F1. Okay, meaning control then click F1, then it collapses the ribbon, and then you double tap on one of the tabs like the home tab and then the ribbon will return back. Okay, you must double click the home tab or any other tab, not single click. Okay, please take note of that. Okay, then you can also customize your tabs. Okay, you can add new tabs, you can add your own tab. Okay, the developer tab, for example, it might not appear on your Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can also adjust those settings. Right, so it's simple. You just go to file, then you go down to options, then customize the ribbon, then go to the right, you can see customize the ribbon, and then you have main tabs. Okay, and there you have it. I checked the developer. Okay, you can check it if you want it, or if you don't want, then you can ignore that. Then in addition to that, what you can do is create a new tab. All right, your own tab, your very own tab. Okay, so we go to the um, developer tab, and I create a new tab after it. Okay, and I have a tab. Okay, and in each tab you can create a group. You can even rename the tab. Okay, so I'm gonna rename my tab. I'm just thinking of a creative name, or I'll just give it a prototype tab. I'll name that. Okay, then um you can have groups in each tab. You can create your own groups. You can create many groups. Okay, then you can also assign some commands or import some commands into those uh, into that group. Okay, I'm just going through the popular commands. You can use all commands. I'll add the font color. Okay, font size command, and then I'll create another group just for the fun of it, and I'll rename that one to group 2. Okay, because I can't think of any other name right now. Okay, and all right. um I'm just doing it this quickly, so I'll just put the copy command. Okay, and I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, so there we have the prototype tab on top, and you can see two groups and font color and font size and the copy. Okay, so if I write hello and then I select it, I can change the font color. Okay, and I can change the size, and I can copy the text and paste it how many times I want to paste it. By the way, you copy it by Control C also, and paste by using Control V. Okay, that is a shortcut. Then you can go back to file, and if you want to remove that tab, your custom tab which you created, you want to delete it. Okay, then customize ribbon, then prototype tab. Okay, select it and remove. Okay, you remove the tab, and you can see our prototype tab just disappeared. It's gone. Then that is pretty much everything, or the introduction to the ribbon, the environment. Okay, and the commands word offers. Okay, now look at the bottom. This bar at the bottom where my cursor arrow is right now, that's called the status bar. Okay, so it shows you which page you're on, shows you the number of words you have. Okay, so if I create this dummy text, okay, equals rand 12. Okay, 12 paragraphs. I have this dummy text of 12 paragraphs. Okay, status bar shows me that I'm on what page I'm on. I'm on page 1 of 1. So if I go to page number 2, I'm on page 2 of 2. Okay, now if I go back to page 1, I'm on page 1 of 2. So it shows the first number is the current page you're on, and the second number it shows is the total number of pages there are in the document. Then we have the number of words. Okay, I have 571 words. Then it shows proofing errors, and then it shows you the language you have. I have English US, English United States. You can change it if you want by clicking on it, and then these are macros. By the way, you can customize this status bar as well. Okay, by right clicking on it. Just let me show you if I make a mistake. Okay, by putting a double V there, you can see there's a proofing error. Okay, if we select that on the status bar, then it gives me a suggestion as to what I would um, be trying to write. Okay, I can change it or I can ignore it. Okay, then we have this macros which we'll come to probably. Okay, then we can customize this by status bar by right clicking it. Then you have this options. Okay, you can formatted page number, vertical page position. You can put all of this type of status on the status bar. Okay, caps lock, you can have this caps lock. Okay, or showing you if your caps lock is off or on. Okay, we can check that. So let's select that, and yeah, you can customize it. So we have this zoom bar on the right over here. Okay, this bar just zooms in and zooms out. Zooms in and zooms out. Then of course we have these three buttons right here. This is the different modes of the different types of layouts which we get. Okay, second button right here is the print layout. Okay, which is by default the layout. Okay, the print layout shows what layout will it be printed in, or once you've printed it, how would it look like. Okay, that is the layout in which you work by default, the print layout. So that is print layout. We can review it in read mode. Okay, so you have read mode. By the way, you can't edit read mode. Okay, you can't edit your text or your document in read mode. Read mode allows you to view two pages side by side, like I have right now on my screen. Then we have web layout. Okay, this is okay, the third button. Okay, you can edit it. This is how the text would look if or on a web page. Okay, this is how the document will look on a web page. It looks very different, so we'll just go back to the print layout. Okay, where it displays it on a page. And that is pretty much our introduction to Microsoft Word, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe.